Come shop with me for vintage jewelry. The past couple of days, I have been to several antique stores, several thrift stores, the SwapMeet. I've been all over the place looking for vintage costume jewelry. I'm going to show you some highlights of the places I've been, and then we will do a recap at the end for what I brought home. It's getting harder and harder to find great things for nominal prices. Our Goodwill stores don't have jewelry, but I will stop in here. I haven't been in here in a long time, so I'm going to take a look and see if I can find anything interesting. I take it back. They do have jewelry, but it's crappy jewelry. Okay, I know this is really silly, but wouldn't this be cute to put stick pins in? I am in a different part of our county today. I don't normally get up here that often. Oh, the sun is really weird here. But I had to buy some feed for my miniature horses and the feed stores up here. And I had to drop off some packages. So I thought I would take a look at the thrift stores and antique stores up here and see if I can find any jewelry. We'll see how that works. Packages are mailed off. Next stop is the feed store. When the Subaru doubles as a truck.
Oh yeah. We got all kinds of cars coming through.
Hi, what a beautiful shop.
Thank you.
Oh man, I tried to buy this sign, but it's not for sale. Love it. It's the next day, and I wasn't planning on going to the SwapMeet, but we need avocados, and it's the best place to get them. It's 37 degrees. I don't do cold. At 37 degrees this morning. It's no wonder that my avocado guy wasn't there today. So I have no avocados to bring home, but I did find a couple of pieces of jewelry that are coming home with me. Hi everybody, it's the next day. I just got back from church and we are going to go over the things I found yesterday as well as today at the swap meet. Wasn't that productive of a week, but sometimes it's just like that. So this is kind of typically what you might find on a not so great time out shopping. I do want to say my heart goes out to everybody in the Southern California area that's dealing with the fires. My gosh, there's so much loss, so much devastation down there. I can't even begin to imagine. So prayers to you guys. I know there's a lot of relief effort happening. I hope everybody is trying to do their part to help those poor people that have lost everything. It's just terrible. But we're here to talk about jewelry. So sadness aside, we're going to try to spend a little bit of time having some fun looking at jewelry. And we have already hit 900 subscribers. So we're going to do a giveaway. I'll have to do that separately because I still have to figure out what I'm going to do for the giveaway. But stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's flip the camera around and look at some jewelry. These are the things that I found at the swap meet today. Oh, my total spend on all of these things was $19 at the swap meet. I'll try to share exactly what I spent on each one as we go. Now I just noticed that this is Austrian earrings. They're missing a couple of rhinestones. I believe I have those little tiny rhinestones, so I will put those in the pile to be fixed, but they're cute. Then these are some coros. Once again, they are missing a couple of rhinestones. You know, these were less than $1. And if you notice, my goal is to buy things very inexpensively, fix them if I'm able to, or repurpose them and sell them, hopefully at a profit, because I need to continue paying for the things that I do. And also my funds that I sell jewelry that come about when I sell jewelry go to helping pay for my miniature horses. So now these are very interesting. I believe they're made by Star, but they have the little shoe button beads, I guess you'd call them cabochons. I'm not sure exactly what you'd call them, but they're called the shoe buttons. And they're super cute. It's missing a couple of rhinestones, which are easy fixes. I'm just glad it's not missing any shoe buttons. It is missing a little bit of enameling here. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that quite yet. I am not going to put black enamel on like I did to that bird in my last video. So those are really cute. Then I found some dress clips, which were $2. Older dress clips. I believe these could possibly be a duet, but they don't have a maker's mark on them. I have a couple of duet clips that I will see if these fit in, that turn it into a brooch, but maybe, maybe not. Either way, they are cute little dress clips. They are not, I think, oh, missing one stone. Easy fix. Then these are Carol Lee, and Carol Lee is not a very high demand jewelry brand, but they were only $3. Actually, I think they gave me a deal. I bought a couple of things from this vendor and they made a kind of a package deal for a couple of things. These are Avon. I believe it's called a Christmas flower. I don't know why. I guess it's just because it's red and green, but they're pierced earrings. They're super cute. They, I believe, were just like $2, I think. This little heart piece is, believe it or not, it's from Victoria's Secret. I didn't know Victoria's Secret even had jewelry. So it's in lovely condition. It was $2. Then these little pearl earrings or faux pearl earrings are from Richelieu, and nothing, you know, nothing spectacular. Can't tell if that's, no, that's just schmutz on there. Not huge sellers, but we'll see how they do. And then I bought a ring box. It's a little bit more modern ring box, but it is made in the USA. Here we have an alligator or crocodile brooch, and it's an older piece, as you can tell by the back. Does not have a maker's mark that I can find, but look how fun is that. There's so much detail on this guy. He does have a reticulated tail and not missing any stones that I can see. They're all prong set, so he's kind of a nice higher quality little guy. So he's quite large. Look at how large he is. And he was $2. Then from the SwapMeet, the best thing I found today was probably this brooch right here. This is a butterfly brooch from Bogoff, and not missing any stones. Quite lovely. Now this one has false prongs on it. I don't know if you can tell, but these little nubs here are not really holding the stone in. If you look at the difference, these are prong set. They've got the little prongs that are folded over and holding onto the stone. But these, it looks like they have prongs, but they're not really prongs. They're just little nubs. So this is going to indicate it's a newer piece than this. However, being a Bogoff, it is a high quality piece. Bogoff is a decent brand. It is rhodium plated. So for people who collect butterflies or Bogoff jewelry, that would be a very nice piece. That's all I found at the SwapMeet. So it was not a very eventful day at the SwapMeet, and I didn't find any avocados, which was one of the reasons I went to the SwapMeet. Now, this is a group of jewelry that I found yesterday when I took you shopping with me. I did not find much. Like I said, it is getting harder and harder to find quality vintage jewelry. You can find a lot of junk jewelry, but when you are looking for vintage and quality, it's a little tricky. This piece right here is not signed. It is marked $4.95, but it was half off on that color today or that day. So the thing that I loved about this piece is that it's strung on a chain. It's got brushed metal beads on it to gold tone that are in very nice condition. There's not, I mean, there might be a little bit of wear, but not bad. And I really like the hidden clasp on this. It's a little push pin clasp, and I think you can see that. Really delicate little push pin clasp that is embedded into one of the beads. So that's a quality piece, probably from the 50s. And then these, I think these are lucite. They're not particularly old, but they have kind of an Art Deco feel to them. And I love pink. I might even just keep these. I can't tell if they're lucite or glass though. They might be glass. Let me bang them on my teeth a minute. Yeah, actually, I think they're glass. So I just thought they were really cute, and they were half off as well. So they were just $1. I could picture that with, you know, a plain sweater. I wear a lot of just plain clothing, lots of neutrals, and so adding vintage jewelry to it, to an outfit, comes very easily. The next thing is this little necklace. It's got swirled glass, or almost like a slag glass. I'm not exactly sure what you would call that glass, but it's mottled pink, might even be a stone. I wish my Presidium was working because, oh, I didn't tell you, my Presidium gem tester broke. I'm so disappointed. I haven't even had it 2 years, and it is not working. I've reached out to the company, and so far I've heard nothing, so a little disappointed in them. I am not sure who makes this. This is the little hang tag on it. It reminds me of like an older Coro, but I will have to do some more research on that. It's really cute. It's got a little bit of pink enamel on it. I'm a sucker for pink, what can I say? And then yesterday, the find of the day was these. Find of the day, yes, the find of the day was this pair of earrings right here. This is a St. John pair of earrings, and I paid $5 for them, but They are listed between 40 and 60 online. They're in excellent condition, black enamel, rhinestone. It's got little channel set baguette, almost square. I think they're technically baguettes. And then little tiny rhinestones on the sides. Just gorgeous earrings. St. John is an amazing, beautiful brand. More modern, but very desirable. These are marked St. John on the clasp, as well as the St. John logo on, let me see, is it upright? Oh, I can never tell which way it goes. Anyway, that's the logo. So anyway, that's those. Now, as much as I can't stand knockoff jewelry, I bought this. I have wanted, there's a Liz Taylor, is it Liz Taylor? Yeah, there's a Liz Taylor double horse head brooch made by Avon that is extremely expensive for what it is. I think they're selling in the $100 range on eBay. And this is a knockoff of that brooch. I've been looking for that brooch for a long time. So if you know of anybody or any place that I can find the real Avon brooch, I would love to add it to my personal collection of horse jewelry. But I saw this on eBay and I knew it was a knockoff. It's a little bit different than the original, but I thought, you know what the heck? It was $6 and some change. I think it was like $6.80. And like I said, I can't stand knockoffs, but I decided to take a chance on this. And I have to say, I am not disappointed. It's a really lovely brooch. So, and you know, Avon is not typically the highest quality jewelry out there. So the quality of this is really not bad. Even the back is not bad. It does have kind of a cheaper hook clasp on here. You can always tell the knockoffs usually have that little, it's like a C-clasp, but it's a modern C-clasp. And the pin is not tremendously strong, but look, it's actually formed into the brooch, and there's texturing on the back, but it's not too bad. You can tell where I think the name used to be either right here or here, and when they cast it, of course, they have to scrape that off. They changed the color of the stone in the center, but otherwise, it's not bad. I mean, it's a really pretty brooch. So I'm going to add that to my collection until I can find the real one. But that's that. That is all I have for today. I'm going to do a separate video for the giveaway. And right now I am going to sign off and hope you are having a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed shopping with me. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe. I get tired of saying that, but a lot of people who watch don't subscribe. So if you get a chance and you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Gotta put my seatbelt on. Oops. But I'm just driving down my driveway, so don't worry about me using my phone. Come shop with me. I hit several garage, no, I didn't go to any garage sales.